Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Wednesday, 23rd March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. But before that, I would like to request to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 25 gold, the without VAT price is 231.50 and with VAT is 266.23. For 22 carats, 1 gram price without VAT is 212.52 and with VAT is 244.40. For 21 carats without VAT price is 202.56 and with VAT is 232.94. For 18 carats without VAT price is 173.62 and with VAT is 199.66. For 14 carats, 1 gram price without VAT is 135.43 and with VAT is 155.74. For 10 carats without VAT price is 96.53 and with VAT is 111.01. For 6 carats the without VAT price is 57.87 and with VAT is 66.55. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if you find this information useful, please press the like button and please share this video with your friends so that everyone gets updated. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.